bird there. I didn't leave the door open. I never went outside. I never went out back.
Okay, so we gotta open up all the doors.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't chase it. It's up on the top.
Yeah, take all the windows, open up all the doors so it can fly out.
Okay. I ran downstairs because I thought I heard Alex like getting into something. I don't think it's gonna go through the garage. Alex?
Okay, are we ready for Operation Robin Extraction?
Possibly. Can't go through the window, bird.
Go the other way.
Oh.
Go this way. Go the other way. Go.
Alex, you're okay. Alex!
There we go.
No! Dang it! Oh! It hit the window. It hit the window. There's an open door and it hit the window. What?
Where's it sitting?
I don't know. I don't want to look at it. So,
I can't go there.
I don't want to see it. Oh my gosh, I think it's dead.
It's dead?
I think so. It hit right in the middle of the other window. The door is open. Oh, it's just sitting there. It's just sitting there.
Of course, it doesn't know where to go.
No, but it. Oh. He's free.